For what? Another flash flood?
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Parker County in north-central Texas, western Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Mansfield, Burleson, Weatherford, Benbrook, Mineral Wells, White Settlement, Crowley, Forest Hill, Hazel, River Oaks, Everman, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Briar, Eagle Mountain, Rendon, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, and Reno. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.